Hello from Slovenia again. Since I play with blow dryer lately, I saw on Molly's channel that she did this kind of starburst blowout, and I decided that I will experiment a little bit too, and I mix my two colors only with water. So I mixed black and I mixed pearl white. I just hope that they are, I will throw a little water in it. I always have problems because with the consistency, because I normally use thick paints, not thick, on the thick side for the flower dips, ring pours, flip cups, you know, the other techniques that I normally do, because I don't do a lot of paintings with a blow dryer, and I'm always struggling with consistency. But I don't want to have my paints too thin, because I have my pearl white mixture, Vallejo pearl medium with Amsterdam titanium white and water, and I'm just afraid that it will totally take over if I thin them down too much. So I will pour some black in the middle, but think that this is too thick. I don't know. But let's see what will happen. And I will go with pearl white around. So I decided that I will do just black and white, because I don't know if this will work for me. So I don't want to mix too much colors and then will be total disaster. And I think that I have my puddle in the middle too big, but we will see. Pearl white again. And black again, and maybe one white stripe, and then I will just pour some black on the corners maybe. And I don't know if I will be able to cover my sides. Probably I should paint them before, but I forgot. Sometimes when you are so, I don't know, excited and want to try something, I will just try to cover my corners. And you have a plan, or this is just how it is with me, and then you just forgot some things that you have to do before because of this excitement to try something. As I said, maybe it's just me, that's how I am, maybe too excited sometimes, or how can I say. So I will just spread this a little bit. We will see. I hope that it will go over the edge. Probably it will, because I will struggle with blowing part again. I can tell already, and probably it will flow all over the place. I don't know, or maybe not. Maybe I will do a better job today. I don't know. I will just try to marry this a little bit. I think that I have less paint here, but I don't know if this will affect something or not. So let's do this. As I thought, I have a little too much black in the middle, but I like it anyway. I'm so happy with this. I will just try to fix my sides a little bit, or maybe I will do it later just with the black. I'll just grab some black paint that I have and paint those areas that are blank with black, probably. Just try to fix a little. The places that really don't have a lot of paint. Or maybe because I have white, I can add some white and it will help this paint to flow a little bit more, maybe. Okay, can tap this here. I love black and white paintings. You probably, if you watch me longer, you already know that, because it's kind of simple but yet beautiful. So maybe I even had too much paint, because I didn't know how much paint I need for this kind of pour. But as I said, I like it anyway. Just fixing some of these parts that are smaller, because I have deep edged canvas and sides are really important too, you know that, because they are part of a painting. So I have some black here, I believe, just a little bit, because I need some black here. And I will finish this with off camera, because I have quite some spaces left that I need to fix. So just those that are little, but the bigger ones you can always touch later, even with the brush or something. But where I see that paint is flowing, I want to have this flow on the sides, that it will kind of match. So that's why I will do that here. Okay, this side is done, so just this last few, and then I will take you for a close-up. And in the meantime, uh, because this pearl white reacts a little more, so it will probably develop a little more. I really love all this lacing, but not sure about the middle. I will torch it, and my torch is empty. Just refill it a little quick. Just debating to myself, but I don't want to lose all the beauty just to, because it's not, you see, rounded, and that's, if it would be a little more, let's see, if maybe I can blow this a little towards the middle. But no, but maybe it is a little more kind of rounded or something. Like what I did here, but and now I will really leave it because it's gorgeous for my taste. So I will take you down for a close-up now. Do you see all this amazing lacing? And as I said, I really love black and white because it's dramatic, simple, but yet beautiful, I think. I don't know if you share this black and white love for black and white with me, but I definitely love black and white. And the middle doesn't look so bad neither, so I'm happy. I will clean my, you know, and you can see I managed to, sorry, this here you have a glare, managed to, I will just take a stick and clean these drips off camera, but I have to say maybe this way will be better because you will not have a glare. After all, I'm really happy. maybe next time, because I will definitely play with this some more, I will do a little black puddle and a little white around and start from there, because I really think that I would need a little less black in the middle, but I will not. And now I have to blow this back because it's weird now. But after all, I will say that I'm 90% happy with this one, and this should be enough for an artist to like. The painting. So many. Hope that you can see this tiny lacing and see some pearl cells. I really love it. Love, 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 love it. So this is it for today. Thank you, Molly, for do this to be inspiration to all of us, and see you on the next one. Bye.